This time we are going to talk about solving an absolute inequality here. And this question have one special case, that is absolute inside still have an absolute. So that we need to concern that this term, when it is a positive or when it is a negative. If this is positive, that means we will not change about this 2 minus absolute x. But if we can find that this is a negative, that means it's negative 2 plus absolute x. Now, if we first say about that, this is a positive, then we can find about the range of x that is between negative 2 and 2. After that, now we can draw the line to find the domain of x into different class. And what is our domain? The first one is negative 2, one is 2. And the second one, that is x is equal to 0. And the third one, that is x for negative half. Okay, draw the line and cut it into different parts. First, smallest one is x is smaller than negative 2. And then is for the negative 2 to the negative half. And then keep on going, negative halves to 0. This one. And then from 0 to 2. Last one is for x is greater and equals to 2. Now we divide to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 5 area. And this 5 area we are going to find about the absolute is positive or negative. The first easier one I saw is 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x here. Negative half. For this one, the left hand side of negative half will be positive, so that we will not change about this. So it's 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x. After that, when pass through smaller than negative half, all the 1 plus 2x will be smaller than 0. That means it's 1 minus 2x and 1 minus 2x. And then second one, then we still have two absolute. One is whole of the term, another one is the absolute x. We are going to solve for the easier one, that is for the 0. For the 0, this term, if greater than 0, absolute x is x. If smaller than 0, that is absolute x will be negative x. So, greater than 0, the left hand side here we have x and x here. The 2 minus, 2 minus. After smaller than 0, when we change the sign, is 2 plus x, 2 plus x, 2 plus x. Someone may ask that, outside we still have our absolute. After that, how can we change our sign? Then we are going to choose by this one, negative 2 to 2. When x are between negative 2 to 2 means what? For this one, 2 minus absolute x are greater than 0, that means positive. So between negative 2 to 2, 1, 2, 3, this 3 term will not be changed because this one is positive. But if for the outer side, that means greater than 2, will be with a negative for whole of the term. So this one we can rewrite as negative 2x plus x. And this term add a negative for whole the term, so negative 2 minus 2x. Then we start our calculation. X is more than 1. And this one, 3x more than negative 3x is more than negative 1. This one is negative x is more than negative 1, x is greater than 1. This one is negative 3x more than negative 1, x is greater than 1/3. This is negative x is more than 3, x is greater than 3? No. Greater than negative 3. Okay. After this, for this 5 of calculation, remember we need to under our setting of the domain of x. So this 2 must be for an intersection for the solution. Negative smaller than negative 2, smaller than 1, x is more than negative 2. This 2 is negative 2 more than equals to x more than negative 1. This one, no solution. Because we say x greater than 1, but we already said the domain is more than 0. For this one is for 1/3 to 2. And this one is x greater than equals to 2. After that, we have this 5 case. And for this 5k, we all accept for the solution. But this 2 term can make to be x is more than negative 1. And this 2 term can make up to become x is greater than 1/3. So our solution is here.